If you have a manual transmission in your 1979 and newer Mustang and are looking to promote smoother shifting and better wear protection, then you should check out a quart or two of the Royal Purple Synchromax manual transmission fluid. Now, this extremely popular and highly rated fluid here on the site will work with any manual transmission in your Mustang, but is not advised for automatic transmissions or rear ends. Your price point per quart will be around $15. While the install will vary depending on your car, but let's call it 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. A little bit more on that topic later in the video. So T5, T45, 3650, 6060, T56, or MT82, it doesn't matter. The Royal Purple Synchromax we are talking about here today will be for you. Now, the Synchromax is a synthetic transmission fluid which is designed to improve shifting and reduce gear noise through Royal Purple's proprietary Synchromax technology. And this is one of those products where, guys, I really encourage you to check out or read up on some of the 100+ 5-star reviews on the site, because listen, I can sit here and tell you what's in this stuff all day long and why it's so great, but it's always better to hear from different Mustang owners out there who've actually filled their transmission up with this stuff and to get some real world feedback. But either way, let's get back to the Synchromax here, and aside from the smoother and quieter operation, Royal Purple also states that their additives in this Synchromax will help protect some of the softer metals typically found in manual transmissions, and more specifically, their synchronizers. Also worth noting is that cold weather owners might be drawn to this fluid a little bit better because of the lower operating temperature, which will help eliminate some of that notchiness on some of the colder mornings. Now, the amount of fluid needed will differ from trans to trans, but you're going to be looking at 3 to 4 quarts here depending on your setup. And for that, I would recommend to check out your owner's manual at the end of the day, as it does differ a bit to bit from transmission. Now, as far as additives are concerned, well, that's another area that will differ from setup to setup. And I will say most cars will be fine just using the fluid itself here, but again, check your manual, see if one is needed just to be on the safe side. Now, filling the trans can be done a few different ways, but I will say that using some sort of pump, whether it be vacuum or handheld, will certainly make your life easier compared to just dumping it in using some crazy long funnel. Either way, guys, let's call it 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here in about 30 minutes to an hour of your time to get the old fluid drained and the new fluid in place in your transmission. So, wrapping up this short and sweet video, if you're looking for a very popular fluid to fill the manual transmission in your 79 and newer Mustang, then check out a few quarts of the old Synchromax here from Royal Purple right here at AmericanMuscle.com.